Hey guys, long time no see. Took a little bit of time off from filming any videos because I just wanted to enjoy my family, doing all the Christmas things, and it's the day after Christmas and we are back at it. It did not start out how I wanted it to, so my house is a disaster. I went to bed last night thinking I'm gonna wake up, I'm going to get this house in order. There is stuff and gifts and presents everywhere. It looks like a bomb went off, but different plans. So Addie was with her dad the second half of Christmas, and then she slept over at his house last night, and he texted me this morning that she was running like a low-grade fever. So I met them up there at the clinic, and thankfully her counts were pretty good. So they just have to give her like an antibiotic and she comes home. If she still has a fever by tomorrow at the same time, like 24 hours, then we have to go back, get another round of antibiotics and go from there. She did test positive for RSV, which is really just like a respiratory virus. There's nothing antibiotic wise they can do. That's how my day started. So house is a mess. And when my house is a disaster like this, like I feel like I just can't function. I have anxiety, there's clutter everywhere. So I thought I would just vlog because I haven't seen you guys in forever. It's like 3:15. Dan was like working from home this morning, and then he had to like run Louis to basketball, and now he and Louis are getting their hair cuts. So I just want to show you what I'm working with here. So this is the aftermath of yesterday. Bentley was playing in the playroom while Dan was on conference calls. And then this, I'm like afraid to show you. This is so, look at this. It's a mess, a mess. 3 kids and an incredible family that just wants to give and give and give. And this is what you get. So I need to tackle this because you literally, like, when I walk in, this is the first thing I see, and it's giving me so much anxiety. The kitchen's pretty tidy for the most part. I just met Dan on the way home from the hospital, got Bentley from him so he could take Louis to get their haircuts, and now I just put both kids to sleep, and I'm gonna try to put a dent in this stuff. Other than that, when Dan gets home, I think I'm going to run to the store. I'm gonna make chicken noodle soup for dinner for everyone. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that Louis had the 24-hour stomach bug the day before Christmas Eve. Dan took him to the hospital at like 3:30 in the morning because he couldn't stop vomiting and he just looked really bad. We thought maybe he had like food poisoning, but we were at my mom's and dad's the day before. We all ate the same thing, so they said it was definitely like a bug, a virus. So we quarantined him for like the entire day. He got sick like the 22nd, so we quarantined him like all day on the 23rd. Dan is incredible. He like bleached this entire house, and I manned the other 2. We both manned the other 2, basically just like washing their hands constantly and keeping them away. Knock on wood, we've all been okay. We've been drinking our grape juice. I don't know if that's like a thing or not, but I've always heard from my mom friends, like when the stomach bug comes through your house, anybody that hasn't had symptoms yet, if you drink 3 glasses of grape juice a day, it does something, the pH in it does something into your body. I don't know, but we've been taking precautions. But now Addie has this cold, which I feel like was inevitable. So many kids in her school have been sick. I helped out the last day before they went on break, and there was one little boy, poor thing, was coughing like the entire time I was there. Like from 9:30 to 12 was coughing the entire time. So kids have been sick. I knew it was gonna happen. It's flu season. We have little ones. So here we are. Hopefully Addie's fever can stay away. She does not have a fever right now. Bentley has a little bit of a cold, but I feel like at this point he has allergies because we've had him to the doctor so many times to check his ears and his lungs. They're always clear. The doctor thinks maybe he has like a little bit of allergies. So we're keeping him healthy for the most part. Hopefully he stays that way. He has not had a fever, just like a little runny nose. But now it's hard because we're like around family and who's coughing and sneezing, and it's just hard. And I'm sure if you guys have families and your moms, you know the paranoia that comes with flu season. So I am going to try to get this house back in order. I'm gonna, I don't know, find places for all of these new things. And the crazy thing is we still have like a second Christmas to do with Dan's family this weekend. And they tend to like over spoil the kids too, so it's stressful. And I do not want to sound ungrateful by any means, because we are so very grateful, but our house is not a mansion and there's only so many places we can go with toys. But we're gonna work with what we have. And Addie actually, before Christmas, and I always do this before Christmas and before her birthday, I lay out like a lot of toys that I don't really see her playing with anymore, and I pretty much give her free reign to say like, we're gonna pick 10 things and donate them. And that's what we do. And we take them to Goodwill. And so when she got all these things yesterday, I was like, where are we gonna go with all this new stuff? And she said, Mom, we'll just get rid of stuff. We'll just donate stuff. So hopefully she still wants to do that. And we can clear out some room and make room for her new things. All of the kids got the cutest clothes from our family. Like, I cannot wait. I remember when I was a kid, after Christmas, like I would get clothes for Christmas, and I always remember being so excited to like wear all my new clothes to school. Addie has some cute freaking things. Like, I wish I was her size and her age, because she got really cute things. So I'm going to make a dent in this when the kids wake up. Hopefully they're both feeling good, and then I'm gonna run out to the store when Dan gets home, get some groceries, some chicken noodle stuff, and make some dinner. And I'll check in with you guys later. I've missed you. I've missed vlogging, but it's also been really nice to not like have a camera in my face and like take me away from our family. Sometimes it's nice, and sometimes you just need that break. So I'm back at it. I'm excited to film. I still have some videos that I like filmed before Christmas that I wanted to get up, but I just didn't, and I wasn't honestly on my computer very much at all. My Stella and Dot work, I have so much to do with that too, but right now, this is a priority. Wish me luck. Progress. One more pile. I can breathe again. And Addie woke up feeling good. She's having some banana bread. I'm having Bentley some banana bread. Yeah. Ah! Are you feeling better? How are you feeling, little boy?
That's a yes.
I think that's a yes.
Do you just take it off, Mom, or do you...
Yeah, you could break it up. Oi. Alright. My poor babies. Are you happy Sissy's home? Sissy's eating what you're eating. Hey, don't eat my bread. Don't eat my banana bread. You want more? You got chew. You got chew. Mmm.
Oh my God, how do you can't even pick this up.
Just break off little
I
pieces.
don't want to, because I don't want the cream cheese.
Yeah, you do. You just break it apart. Just got in from the store. I'm gonna start chicken noodle soup. I have a recipe of this on my channel. Can't do this one-handed. I have a recipe on my channel. I will link that in the description box below. I'm not doing the whole chicken because we want to be quick, so I'm just doing the chicken breasts for now. I'm gonna do this with one-handed. I'm gonna get some broth going. I was gonna buy chicken broth, but I really think the magic healing powers when you don't feel good is in the homemade chicken broth. So we're gonna do homemade. I just did 2 breasts. I'm gonna add some carrots and celery, onion and water, make a broth, shred the chicken, and then the chicken soup's really easy.
But the looks that we have of what actually happened are very good to come immediately if indeed they can't figure it out while they're down there fixing to go.
Illegal touching by the kicking team. Can I put on Vanderpump?
Yeah.
For more information on the Real Housewives of
What?
As soon as Dr. Film, when you
Ever given me an illustration?
in the pot. So you have to rub it, and then when it turns pink, that's when you can crack it.
We're hatching Hatchimals.
I got these for
Can I get one to Bentley to hold?
Yeah,
He
sure.
doesn't know how to do it. Here, bud. Let's hatch it.
Hatch.
He's shaking it. Mommy's gonna hatch one. A baby's gonna be born.
I got these from Christmas. Kind of when you scratch it, it might turn pink.
Mine's turning pink.
Let me see. Oh yeah. Nice. So when you hatch it, so it's purple first, and the egg is pink, and has blue petals in it.
Oh, baby's coming.
Blue peckles are born. I mean, blue peckles.
Speckles.
Speckles are on the pink little hatch thingy.
Hello, little baby.
Who is it? Let's see. Oh, that's
Owie, he just dropped that on my
that's
toe.
a so cute one. I love
So
that
cute one.
It just close. Mommy got this one. That's
Cute.
the one Mommy opened. And
Can I do another one?
yeah, sure. And I'm still on my
Hold on, I gotta
one.
cook my soup. Stir my soup.
Mommy has to sew her soup. I said pho. That's the TV on there. Fancy Nancy. Comment down below if you love Fancy Nancy, guys. I have a cough, just so you know. And when I cough, it hurts. Ooh, mine's turning pink. Look, guys. It's turning pink. I think I can hatch it. Look, guys, I'm gonna hatch it. Guess I can't hatch it yet. Yeah. Look, there's my little hatch. I think we got duplicates, but I hope not.
Really? That would stink.
I know. I hope so. Not. Oh no, we didn't get. Oh no, we didn't get duplicates. Comment down below.
Oh, this one has glitter wings.
Oh my god, all of them have
It's like
glitter.
a red robin.
Oh wait, let me show you. This is the one Mommy opens. Mine are literally not coming out so good. Can you help me with mine? Just over here. Comment down below. Put a guess in the comments as you know what one you think it is.
This is when you know your child watches too many YouTube videos. You know if they're boys or girls.
That's a good question, but I don't know. I have more that I opened before Mom turned the camera on. So
Do they all have glitter on them?
yeah, glitter wings.
This is a little giraffe. So toot.
So cute. No, it's so cute.
So toot.
So I'm gonna open my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 egg. We only have 2 more. Mom can do the last.
Bentley has one too, don't forget.
Oh. What do you got? He's playing with one of our eggs. Does you hear my baby brother? That's him in the back. Let's have the camera. Oh, you can't see him.
Oh, a little octopus.
Oh my god. Wait, let me see.
So
Little
cute.
octopus. And Mom, that's what Mom got. And
Can Mommy have that one? No. Come here.
Okay. Say hi to the video, Ben. Bentley, say hi.
Look at the camera. Who's that? Hi. Who's that?
He's so cute, guys, by the way. I'll show you the ones that we didn't get. What? We have one more egg. That we
No, I don't do that.
I'm hatching.
You think that's funny?
Still keeps knocking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's in
9,
there?
10.
Those are the eggshells. You
11. This is my 11 leg egg.
11th.
This is my 11.
You want it to open? You gotta rub it. Watch, let Mommy help you.
Look, bud.
Rub the heart. Help me.
Mine's turning pink.
Rub it. And rub the heart like this. And Mommy's gotta cook the soup.
So, if you don't know what kind of soup we're having, comment down below, I guess. But if you do,
Comment down
I'll
below.
say chicken noodle soup.
Alright, say bye for now. My camera's gonna die. Say bye for now. Ready to rock and roll. Closing this out. Dan's going to fetch Starbucks. So he's off for the holiday. So I thought we should maybe do a little FAQ video that you guys have been asking for. So leave your comments below this video.
Right down there.
Down below, like Addie says. And, or leave your questions and we will answer them in a very near future
In the
video.
GIF.
Thank you guys for watching. Sorry this was a little unproductive day, but this is life. Thus is life. Anything you want to say?
No.
You just want to go get Starbucks?
Yes.
Okay, go. See you guys.